y'all, it's Will
and Mommy. Hey y'all,
it's Will
and Mommy, and today we are making a drink. It's called Blue Shoe. So you need some blue Hawaiian Punch, 7-Up, and white cranberry. I couldn't find just regular white cranberry, so I got white cranberry strawberry. So it's gonna be a lot of little different flavors going on, but we're gonna see what it's about. All right, Buggy, you ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna start with the Hawaiian Punch.
Okay, but Mommy, can I pour this one?
Yeah, but I'm gonna help you because it's heavy.
It is heavy, and I'm not strong enough to do it.
Okay, you ready?
Help me.
Okay.
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Mommy, this is like the same thing that we made yesterday. Like last week when you made this drink?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, last week.
Okay, we're gonna stop it right there.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we're going to do the white cranberry.
Mommy, can I pour this time? It's not too heavy for me.
Yeah.
Oh. I got it.
Okay. I'm just making sure because it is still a little heavy. Keep going.
Okay,
Keep
okay.
going, keep going, keep going. Okay.
Let's stop right there. Mommy, it tastes so good. Now can I stir it?
No.
Huh? Okay, I'll put it over
And then
here.
now we're gonna do.
Mommy, can I put it over here on my side?
And now we're gonna do the 7-Up.
Oh! That scared me, y'all. Whoa. Why is it too heavy? It's splashing. Whoa, I think that's too much.
Okay.
Too much. Now can I stir it?
Oh, hold on, because it's a lot. Let me do it, because I don't want it to.
Mommy, I'm not going to do that.
And we did let this sit in the refrigerator. I went to the grocery store on Thursday, so and today is Saturday.
Mommy,
So it's been in the
can
refrigerator
I
since
hold this side and stir it up?
Hold on.
Yay.
No, I don't know because it's coming out. It's good. There. So just FYI, you do want to put it in the refrigerator first.
Yeah, first you know.
Okay. Don't do that.
It's good. Mommy, can I taste mine? It's mine. Mommy, why are you getting a lot?
We let a fly in the house, y'all.
Yeah, we let a fly in the house in our video. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Cheers.
This is good.
It is good.
Yeah, Mommy, it is really good. Mommy, can I have some more when I eat my noodles?
Yeah. It's good. The what's it called is a little overpowering.
Yep.
So.
That's so satisfying.
It's satisfying.
Mommy, can I taste this and this? What is that? I said, can I taste this drink and this? Y'all do taste good. I know. So, y'all subscribe to our channel.
Okay. Pour me some. Okay.
Mommy, it's mixed up. Guess what? Ours is so great. You're just great.
That's good too. With more cranberry juice.
Yours is great.
That's good, y'all. I like it with the more cranberry juice too. So, and the recipe did say like put it in a cup, but since we got all this, I just put it in our pitcher.
Great too.
So it's good, y'all. Y'all can do whatever measurements y'all want to do. I'm gonna put in the comment section. I'm gonna put how they said do it, and it's just using in the glass cup. They didn't do it in the pitcher, so I'll do that in the or description box so that y'all can know. But again, y'all know we always do our own little twist to stuff. So yeah, this is called the Blue Shoe.
Mommy, when I'm done with all this, so can I pour this in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Again, this is called the Blue Shoe. So y'all try it out. Bye.
There's no niggas, yeah, I ain't feeling them, yeah. It's just me and I'm telling them.